So I have $9,000 here for you.
God.
From Lizzie, from Brockley, London. $9,000 here for you. Here, so I make you count it and then tell her thanks. From Lizzie, from Brockley, London. So how much you sell one of these for? If someone was here to buy it? One of the cups there.
I sell them at 1,500 Jamaican dollar. That's so 10 US.
Yeah, so it's $10 US for one. As well too. And this is the this is the handmade now. How much is the handmade from the clear, like from this clear?
That right? No, we sell that to 20 US.
20 US.
Yeah, to the handmade.
So this is the handmade. So now $5,000 here for your sister from
what?
Gigi. Yeah.
What is the young lady's name?
Gigi.
Gigi.
From the USA. 5,000.
Oh my God. Gigi? God bless you. God bless you more tremendously.
Her name is MG from Queens, New York. You want to send $18,000 for you? From MG from Queens, New York. So, in the procedure, I'm make you count it. For this one, make you count and they can tell her thanks, right? So, all this $18,000, count it. Alright, that's a good, you have a donation fee, right? I have $15,000 here for you. From Lizzie, yeah, from the UK, from Brockley, UK, yeah? So another donation here for you as well too. Yes, from Unknown, from the USA. We have $6,000 here for you. From Unknown.
Yes, Unknown, thank you so much. You know?
Birthday, belated birthday, so it's $7,000 here for you.
Yeah.
From GG.
JJ, hold it for love and hold it for respect, you know. See this? 50 more black and 2 bags of cement.
I mean, USA, they can help buy sand and grabbers, you know, it's put towards where I have this so we have $7,000 here for you. From Annette, from the USA.
Thank you, Annette. Not how small it is, it can work. I will always make it work.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, Dream Team, one team. Dream Team, one team. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love to all. Blessed love. So, you know it goes, I'm back here again in Trenchtown. You know, I'm back here in Trenchtown where the journey always continue. You know, with charity where we help out the less fortunate and the needy. Okay, you know, this is where it all is. So this is where we are today. So yes, so D, she head off, you know, okay, you know, have to come back to do some charity work, so I have to be back here in Trenchtown, you know. I have to run my errands, you know, helping out and putting in the work as usual on the charity side. So I want to thank all our new viewers, them, all our subscribers. I want to thank them so much for subscribing to Kina Life in Jamaica. I thank them so much for putting the thumbs up. You know, I thank them so much for watching as well too. So if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, if you reach this far and you haven't subscribed, you can subscribe. You know, if you're watching and you reach this far and you haven't put the thumbs up, you can put the thumbs up. You know the thing go, you know. Teamwork make the dream work, you know. Let's all grow together, you know. Let the program grow by putting the thumbs up, smashing the like button whenever you're watching Kina Life in Jamaica. So yeah, we're here back in Trenchtown, you know, and we're gonna give out some donation to some recipients as well to what donors sent in. Now we have a lot of new donors. I want to thank you so much. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. So you're, you know, a family. You know, whenever you're a donor, we don't say donors, we say extended family, you know, because that's how we keep it, you know. So everyone's a family. So we thank you so much, because your extend go all the way, you know. I would thank each and every one that reach out to DJ Swicked, you know, and his wife, Life with Orintia. You know, we thank you so much for reaching out to them as well. So, you know, we're here today in Trenchtown. We're going to give us some donations, and that's where the journey will continue, you know. So remember, please stay tuned. And remember, hit that like button, smash that, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let's follow the journey. Dream Team, one team. So we're here. Patrick! I will Max baby mother, the big CSS guys. So we're there again once more, and we have Patrick.
Yes, Kina.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, my brother.
How is everything?
Except to give God thanks and praise.
Sure.
That's to give God thanks and praise, you know. I walk so freaking again like one time. God walk in a shower me, you know.
Yeah.
And anytime I walk too long, I have a short of breath.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Anytime I walk too long, I have short of breath. Just so. So I'm gonna walk up and down like one time. Yeah.
Okay.
My boy just steer you.
Okay, what to the pressure?
Them say pressure and them say the color so high. And remember the catch strokes, you know.
Yeah. Take your time.
The catch strokes.
Yeah.
You know? So
Yeah.
At 2 yard now, you make me catch strokes, so it kinda chop me talking. It affect me talking, my walking, and one time I put the whole toothbrush.
Yeah.
With toothbrush and brush my teeth, but now I can't hold my toothbrush now.
Oh, okay.
And brush my teeth, you know.
I want to echo the word.
Yeah, one time I could hold my toothbrush. But when I come on. Yeah. By the help of God, you know.
Yeah.
And the 1st of December gone was my birthday.
1st of December?
Yeah, gone, yeah.
Oh.
Was my birthday.
So what you do for your birthday?
You know, I'm not do nothing. Nothing.
You pray and give thanks.
Yeah, give thanks.
That's it.
I'm 66, I know.
66?
Yeah.
Going strong.
Yeah. So, I have to give God thanks and praise. Same way, you know.
I always like how that happened, you know, I have a belated birthday gift then. Because if your birthday gone, I'm going to give one donation now where it can help out a situation.
Thank God, because I have now whole wheat flour and banana brown rice. You know, the whole wheat flour finish and the brown rice finish. Yes.
Okay.
And I have the whole wheat biscuit and all them things there, you know.
Yeah.
The white flour like one time and the white rice.
You feed the healthy one.
Yes, I eat the one there, you know.
So at least this can help out a situation, right?
God, thank God.
So I have $9,000 here for you.
Thank God.
From Lizzie, from Brockley, London. Yeah, $9,000 here for you. Here, so I can count it and then tell her thanks. From Lizzie, from Brockley, London.
Lizzie?
Yeah. So that's 5, 1 is 5 and 2 and 2.
Yeah.
So that's 9,000 from Lizzie, from Brockley, London.
Lizzie, thank you very, very, very much for this money. Thank you very much. God can help out a situation. We can buy some brown rice now and we can send go buy some callaloo and pop chow and okra.
Yeah.
You know?
Feed up the body.
Yes, that I have to eat. And some brown rice. God bless you, Lizzie. And God bless you and make life easy for you. Make you successful. You know, whatever you do, whether work or your business where you do. And make life easy for you and grant your paradise. God bless you. God bless you for this, Lizzie.
Yeah.
God bless you so much. God bless you for this, Lizzie.
Alright.
Thank you very much,
Yeah,
Lizzie.
Alright, so we give thanks.
Yeah.
I would thank you, Lizzie. Thank you so much for helping out Patrick. You know, they can say Patrick is a man where he's not so up, you know, kind of sick as well too from the strokes and in pressure, you know. So Lizzie, we thank you so much for blessing Patrick. You know, it's mean the world to him right now. We can help out getting some stuff to help out himself, right?
Thank you very much, Lizzie. Thank you very much, Lizzie. God bless you, Lizzie. God make life easy for you, as you say, and make you successful in life, and for you, make life easy for your family and relatives. God bless you. God bless you, Lizzie. God bless you. Yes.
Yeah, man. Alright, Patrick, take it easy, yeah?
Yeah, thank you, Kina.
Alright. Yes, Lizzie. So we thank you so much, Lizzie. Blessed love, blessed love. Thank you so much for helping out Patrick. You know, so it's a blessing. So Lizzie, she not only sent one donation for one person, so we're gonna check out Gloria now as well too. Cause Gloria as well too. We got some donations and thing. Yes, blessed. Sam, come, where you going? You coming from school?
Yes.
Come, going on the yard. Hey, baby. I like so much clothes up online. Christmas come early. Place paint up and thing. Wow. Sam's, where you go? Give me a belt. Give me a belt. Give me a belt. Parents ever sign up for your belt for you get beaten yet?
No.
Give me it. What you close to you so you just come from school?
Just a pull up.
Come on, man, give me a belt, man. And hold out your hand.
No.
Come on, man, people, if you're watching.
They say I perform good, say I hold out your hand.
You say I'm going good?
Very good, excellent.
See, so we don't have to beat him.
5 top performance
Mm-hmm.
in a 1 week.
What? So we don't have to give one celebration like that, man. Celebrate. You're doing good, so that means your mother doing a good job. Right? So like you're doing a good job now, so it seems like somebody sending a blessing for the good job you've been doing. You put on the belt first. Fix up before you get that one. You know, fix up. So baby, I have a donation for you as well from GG. No, GG. Yeah, from the USA. We have $4,000 here for you. From GG from the USA.
GG from the USA. Thank you very much. May your food basket never empty. Blessings. Big up all the overcomers. Blessings. And we are so back for Christmas, before Christmas. Because we want to give them Merry Christmas and then prosperous New Year's, but I'll see them back again. Yeah.
Alright, so Sam, you know finish put you're not ready for this yet, man. It takes so long. So I want to give thanks. I want to thank you so much, Gigi. Thank you so much for baby donation. And now Sam has been performing so well in school. So it's like the man know before me even send this money, so Sam's are going good. So Sam's have a blessing to get.
Yeah, and still Kina, you tell me today say you get.
I get class monitor. Class monitor.
Well, like a student council.
Yeah, class monitor.
Okay, so you will body have to listen to them when they say, hey, sit down. You sit down, right? So you get shy when you talk to them.
No.
Alright, so when somebody misbehave, what you going to do?
I tell you to stop misbehaving and then send them up by front and first stand up. Until the teacher come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I say I go on. So that means you're doing well in school, so I never give for you for them. I have $10,000 a year for you. Sure.
Banana.
So you have 10,000 a year for your sons from unknown from the USA. So we got you 10,000 here.
Probably buy something for Christmas.
You buy something for your Christmas?
Yeah, and buy a cake for my mother. Probably buy a cake for my mother.
Yeah.
Her birthday.
So we buy for Sevilla. You got all the money I got done on Sevilla and I get nothing. If you got what Sevilla. So you have to go leave yourself out. So she took $10,000 for you. From unknown. From the USA.
Thank you, unknown. From the USA. Heart of love, one love. May your food basket never empty. Blessings.
And continue the good work same way. Right? So let's make everybody proud. So guys, sounds more than deserved because doing well in school, top performer. See it halfway through primary school. And the man a student counselor, I run him class now, you know, so you know, so when him talk, them have to listen, right? Oh.
I bring him around him father.
Yeah.
Prince, cause something for go on.
Oh.
Lunch money, I have to step up or something.
Okay, so see there for going your father Prince, right? Alright then, so them some donation and go and walk and go and give out. Come see a limp, pump your leg, man.
You know, say they need them if I give me problems, you know, man.
You're getting old, baby. And them say old age, you know.
But then arthritis, I didn't see how.
You need to go a bad fountain. What a bad fountain. Yes, you get the hot water and the beat out it. Yeah, that's what you need. Seriously. You go out there and that beat out in no time, that's gone. It does work, man.
I'm just going to make one of them there, like how school I got a lot now, and I got free time.
Quick now, you know, because the road fix, so it's smooth sailing. Probably take about an hour for each out there. Hour and 20 at least. But it's better you know for go now. And I like one time when the road are fixed, take like 3 hours, but now, quick for go out there. So the best thing is go out there, man, and get it beat up, man. Yeah? Look, come on. Psalms! Alright.
Psalms, get the room, can you go to my
yeah, man, so blessed love, blessed love. Tell us so when the time is right, time of David. Nothing done before the time.
When the time is right,
I cannot know it when the Almighty and the time is right. You understand? Yes, turning your music. So we're there at the ceramic school. Man himself sees it.
Want to be a school, you know?
Oh, want to be a school.
Ah, see rubber dub. Respect honor, you know.
So what Peely?
No, well, Peely, you know, I mean, which is Patrick Lee. You see, because Sidela secretary give me that name there, you know.
At Bob Marley data?
Yeah, fair secretary. She start me in the business thing, you see? Show me how to structure myself, how to deal the invoice, receipt book, and order book and all those things, you know?
Yeah, so let me step inside.
She suit me out, you see?
Yeah, so
me just work with the name same way.
Yeah, Peely,
as a respect, you know?
Cool. So guys, it's been years this man been doing this ceramic work. So like how much years now you know Trenchtown to do this? Roughly.
I started 1994.
1994.
Yeah, 94.
Yeah, man. So
94.
Them time that when the war going hot.
Yeah, man, but still lit up at work. Them time we left across the road. Yeah.
Man, so I can show them what's going on then. So guys, so this is the ceramic, you know, it make everything you can think of.
Anything in a clay.
Anything in clay. I know the other day clay. So this is the original clay. Clay dust here. This is how we eat though.
Yeah, man.
But the pregnant leave them crave for.
This one, you see? Liquidize this, you know? This is in powder.
Yeah.
Man,
so from this
now, come to the perfection.
Come to this.
Yeah.
So this is what you're making, you know.
This is a steamer scotchy.
Oh, like the chalice.
Steamer.
So this is steamer. So when it's a Bob Marley, I hold the chalice in them and
you have the burn chalice and you have the steamers, you know.
Okay, so this is when it's complete.
Yeah. So one of the steamers, man.
And them also make cup as well too. You name it.
Yeah, anything in a clay, man. Like, from with a clay, from a clay.
So this is what it is now after because steamers, scotchy.
This is a steam pipe. Where not just herb alone you steam in it, you know.
What else you can steam in it?
You can steam vervine, rosemary, Gideon weed, anything you choose, you know.
Okay.
These are the coal and in the migger where you put the items where you want steam.
Okay.
And then I gritted it right in the migger, we block the coal from the fire from it. Yeah.
Okay.
So you do it like this, and then where you do dry, you steam it, and water.
In at the bottom.
This is the water container where you put the water. So it go through the water and come back through the bamboo.
Wow.
As a filter, you know. Now wash off me.
Yes. Yes, guys. So as you can see, he's been doing his work for years. You know, it's not now. They make a lot of cups. You know, chains. You name it. As you can see right up here, man, there's more look like Bob Marley. Something with the locks right here. You know, so he's been doing this for years. It's not just now, because I also receive a cup from him with my name on it as well too. You know, so you have any other?
This is the pipe now where, like, if you don't want to use Whistler,
yeah,
and you just want straight smoke from the
pipe,
straight herb, you just cut up the herb, put in that, light it, and I use that.
And I use that.
Yeah.
So you have any of the cups then if anybody drinking tea?
Yeah, man.
Let me see the cups then we have. Because you can ship overseas if anybody want to buy from overseas, they can ship it to them as well, right? So this is all handmade from seasoned self.
Alright, this is one of the handmade mug we make from the clay. I'm gonna buy a mug, you know, and put on one print on it.
Okay.
It's a straight Jamaica clay, straight handmade cup, you see?
Yes, yes.
This now are the imported cup. I just buy the mug, the pattern of the mug, blank, and then me put on my print on it.
Okay, so this is the import one you said, right?
Yeah, that's the import.
So you put on your print and the colors
bake it in.
Bake it in.
Yeah, so it go in permanently, you know?
Yeah, it won't come out.
No, but it won't now come out permanently.
It's got Jamaica One Love, so this is the import mug again. That's
my pattern I put, so me put it on even the handmade one when I make.
Okay.
But the handmade one hard for making out than is it? Because this is a machine making.
Yeah.
Machine make champ out and put on, yeah?
Yeah. And this is it. So this is the same thing as well to the imported, and you just bake it on. So how much you sell one of these for? If someone was here to buy one of the cups there?
I sell them at 1,500 Jamaican dollar. That's so a 10 US.
Yeah, so it's 10 US dollar for one. As well too. And this is the this is the handmade now. How much is the handmade from the clear, like from this clear?
That now we sell that to 20 US.
20 US.
Yeah, to the handmade.
So this is the handmade. Right.
This now is a fragrance burner.
Oh, this is where you burn your fragrance in.
Yeah.
Like put a little bead candle inside.
The dish candle, and you put the fragrance up here, so.
Okay.
You light it, you know.
Lovely work, man.
That's handwork, artwork, you know.
Yes. Yeah, man, we love your work, man. I see people.
So there's a lot more to make where.
Yeah. So give them
space.
Yes.
And the space, you know.
That's the space.
In the future, I love to deal with that. So get up.
Yeah.
Come on. I love to put up a shop right so I can accommodate students who want to take part in it and things.
You can teach them.
Yeah, so you see?
Pass on. Yes. Which makes sense.
Them are no more expensive enough, but you see them there out. I mean, I have nowhere to put them.
Very expensive.
Yeah, man, I have to them on.
They clear them inside and press them.
Right. You see this? It's a vase, this, you know. You see it?
Put the vase in.
Yeah. And it's a cellar vase. Yeah, right. Cellar, man, that a stack, a more things over there. And more there for same way.
More same.
You see it?
Yeah.
Then have some figurine mold,
really like mold. Something to set up right here in our space.
Yeah, man, I try work on it for build a shed, man. That means, you see it?
So give yourself a shout out, give them a contact number where you can reach.
Well, my name, you know, Patrick Martin Lee. You see? Originally from Trenchtown, you know, with the ceramic work. I love it, you see? Yeah, man. I have to love what you're doing.
True.
Yeah, man.
So give them a contact number.
My contact number, you know, is 876 356 1185. That's my phone number, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. I'm there 5 West Road.
Yes.
Trenchtown. You see it?
Yes, guys. So,
yeah, man. So blessed to all who are watching, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
and
man.
continue upon the work, CMA. So
Yeah, man, and same to you, Kino, because I not lie, I know if I'm find me in a belly, I know him, you know. For my mother stay so.
Yeah.
You get what I say?
Yeah.
Till him born, I saw him come a manifest now. So I proud of him. So if most youth did have meds and I watch Kino, movements, and follow, things would have better off. You get what me I say?
Yes, true.
Yeah, things would have better off, you know? Yeah, man.
I will give thanks, man, for what you had to say, man. If anyone watching and interested in any ceramic work, in any ceramic work, you know, interested in any one of the cups, them, anything at all, someone like the coach there, you know, anything at all, if you're interested, you know, you can reach out. The contact number is there, you know, his contact number is there. Oh. So you can reach out, you know, and help out our situation, you know, give him a support. And if you're in Trenchtown and you're passing on West Road, you know,
Plant flowers to one them people.
yeah. Nice yard, man, you know.
Sell flowers and
They sell flowers as well too.
plant up some fruit tree in the place, so.
Yeah.
You see? A blessing, you know?
Yes, anybody
Yeah,
that thinks that country me there, you know.
Yeah.
The place look. Everybody thinks about that country, Canada. No, I'm not in country. I'm in Trenchtown.
Coming so it come like a different.
Yes, a different place, man.
vibration, you know?
So this is it, guys. I'm saying, man, you can reach out. The contact number will be there. You know, feel free to call him. You know, if you want to sponsor him on any one of the coaches, the cups, them. You know, and him also make these as well too.
Yeah.
As well too.
I want to learn
And
about the work,
yeah,
you know?
so if you want to learn about the work, you can reach him on his number and you can get some info. You on Facebook as well?
Yeah, man.
What's the name on Facebook?
Our Caesar Lee, me dey pan. Caesar. C-E-Z-A.
Okay.
Yeah, man,
So you can
C-E-Z-A,
also-
you know. I community give me that name there, you know.
Caesar.
Yeah.
What do you to Caesar?
Yeah, so me just spell it different, you know.
Yes, guys.
You see?
Yes, guys. And check out him stuff then. Alright then,
Yeah,
Caesar.
me want teaching pan it too. Me make ones know the knowledge of it, you know. We don't have to keep nothing to ourselves.
No.
You see? We have to share.
Share
you know?
the knowledge.
Yeah.
Share the knowledge.
You see? Yeah,
Big
man.
up.
Respect and
Trenchtown.
honor, you know.
Every time, man. Alright then, bless up, yeah?
Yes, please.
Alright. Yes, guys, so we are continuing the journey now. You know, can give out some more donation while we're here, so you know the journey continue. So blessed love to all. Remember, guys, put the thumbs up when you're watching. You know, be here in Trenchtown, one love town. You know, even though sometimes it's ups and even though it's down. Thumper, yeah, you have jelly? No jelly. All right. Hey. That's Anna. Yeah, Kiasha.
Natural fix up, you know, so we just
Fixing up, wow. Fixing up, because moving. Moving in now. Hello, sister.
Oh, hello.
Blessed love, blessed
You know,
love.
when I see you with camera and I know something good is coming up.
Okay. So you see me with phone, what's coming up?
Yeah?
When you see me with the phone now, what's coming up?
Me know some money. Somebody sent something for me for my Christmas.
Okay.
Who is the first?
I know you always do good, so good shall return, right? So the Almighty is blessing you
Yes, thank God. God is good.
every time.
Anytime you see my hand, will scratch me.
Scratch it again.
Yeah, anytime you see it scratch me, man. You know, say something good is coming.
Yes, and this is Dream Team Pastor. You know, for who's watching it now, this is Dream Team Pastor, Sister Junie.
Oh,
So when you're here in Jamaica, you need to come to church. You need to link up Esther, you know, so Esther mom can take you to her church.
Okay,
Right.
yes.
And if they want any prayer, then can contact Esther to reach to her mom. You can get some prayer over the phone, right,
Okay.
Sister Junie?
Yes, man.
Of course, if you cannot reach to the church, you can reach out and can get some prayer over the phone.
Yes.
Right?
And Kina, you know, so I'm telling Esther that I'm inviting you to church only this Sunday when you can available to come.
Definitely.
But you was telling me that you're a little busy.
Yes, we are toward Jamaica.
But you can't busy do God work and come to church.
Yeah.
Man.
I would definitely come.
How many parishes you know now?
I went for the 9. 8?
What?
8.
8 parishes?
Yes, before we never did know so much. We probably know about 3.
You look, you know so much, I don't know none.
I still don't know none yet.
I only know Kingston and St. Andrew.
Oh God, see, I'm going and good, so we have more to go.
I only know St. Thomas.
Yeah?
And St. Mary, no?
You was stay there or just
Kingston, St. Thomas, St. Mary.
You was spend a night there?
No, we don't really spend night there. That's not true. Oh, but pass through. That's pass through.
That no count.
So you know say about Kingstonian, so you know?
That don't count.
So Esther said that don't count, you have to
No, you have to stay there.
there.
Okay.
So I've stayed there. But I'm stay at Nigel already, so that count. A long time that I'm stay at Westmoreland already, so that count. I stay at St. Elizabeth already, so that count.
What?
Yeah. I stay at St. Thomas already, that count.
Oh, you're a tourist?
Yeah.
I'm got different parishes at like resort. I'm still not counting like a resort. I'm going to walk,
You're a tourist.
Yes, I'm Jamaica tourist right now, so anyway thing go start. I start my tourist company very soon. Juta Tour, Kina Tour Company. Yeah, so if anybody coming and want to get tour, them can contact me. Because might as well know my country.
Yes,
So
yes, that's good. Congratulations.
I'm using Google Map.
Yes, and that is the good thing right now. We have Google Map. You can't pass. Any river you want, you press Google Map and you're going to find that.
That's good. That's good.
So now $5,000 a year for your sister from
What?
GG. Yeah.
What is the young lady's name?
Gigi.
Gigi.
From the USA. 5,000.
Oh my God. Gigi? God bless you. God bless you more tremendously. I thank you for this 5,000. Oh, I love you. I love you. And I know this is for my Christmas. Yes, and I appreciate it a lot. Okay?
Yes,
Yes, and I think, and I'm going to buy some fruits.
Yes, the right thing.
Yeah, because you know the most say the doctor said must eat fruits.
Yeah.
And that's so expensive. So I think this more can help me to buy some
fruits.
And God bless you, Gigi. God bless you.
Thank you.
Okay, and thank you very much.
God bless your sister, and I'll definitely come church one of these Sundays.
Yes,
Yeah,
and you must let me know when you're coming.
Don't come Christmas Sunday.
Well, I'm coming one of these Sundays.
Don't come
Yeah?
Christmas Sunday.
Why?
Come here, Daddy.
Birthday.
Oh, no, birthday the 24th.
Yeah, but at a Christmas Sunday, Dad.
Christmas Sunday, Dad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So why you know what time come?
Come here at church that Sunday.
Eh?
I will be at church that Sunday. Come my birthday.
So what you?
Yeah, so that Sunday don't forget it on your birthday. Right?
Yeah,
so she get in
Sunday
spirit.
must come.
Because she get in spirit, right?
Yeah,
and that day.
She wants you see her cry.
Yes.
When the Lord lick her.
Not treat. That's Sunday I keep treat.
You keeping a treat?
For the kids, you know some little kids.
Okay.
Me ask for donation, but it's slow.
No, okay. Which way you keeping the treat?
Church.
Up at the church, for the little ones.
So we should check if you have any stuff. Ties or anything we can get the kids them. Let's see. What's there? Any books or anything?
Yes, I would be happy to know. No, Lord.
You can do
That
it to
would
the
be
church.
good. Yes,
Right,
yes.
so we're going to run through what we have down there.
Yeah, so when you were on to it next week?
Yeah. I met Esther and Luca go and check it out.
Yeah, the children can go on.
Alright, then, sir. Sister?
God bless you.
Aye.
God bless you. Yeah.
Alright, and Esther, bye bye.
If it wasn't you, I wouldn't get this. because of you, people get to know me, and God bless you so much. Kina, God bless you.
Thank you. Hey, can you get the phone call, right? Gloria. What are you doing? How is your
Bad.
good Christmas spirit?
Yeah,
Gloria, how is everything?
not too bad.
Feeling okay?
Yeah, not too bad.
But you're not bad, you?
I see what you're doing.
They never give her one ball.
Yeah, but I don't know. I don't know what they do with the ball. Yeah, me have the ball. Too much in my ball.
Are your finger them seize up?
No, sometimes I stretch it out.
And she have to pull them. It cannot pull by itself. Yeah. So she have to just open them.
Sometimes I have to shake hand to release it.
Oh, you have to shake hand to release it.
And one it. I want it tight up so we can walk.
Therapy. So it always free up when you shake it like that and come out?
Yeah, sometimes we just, when we first shake it so it free up and we can pull it. But me have one something but it pop when I get mad up more.
Yeah. Alright, that's a good donation fee, right? You have 15,000 a year for you?
Yeah.
From Lizzie? Yeah, from the UK, from Blackpool, UK, yeah?
Yeah.
You know how to hold up. 15,000. Yeah.
Thank you, Lizzie. I'm here basket. I'm here basket. I'm Merry Christmas when it come. And New Year.
So thank you so much, Lizzie, for this glorious donation. You know, her husband is not here, so Pat always here. We look out for her and she receive it for her. So they can see Gloria and his time up and her now. Take care, Gloria?
Yes.
Pat? Yeah. So we're on the go. Pebbles. Later 5-0.
150, nothing around that. Later. Alright.
Check colors now.
Don't do it again.
Tarpy.
One genius.
One Tarpy, one Messi, one prefect. See, no change. Alright then, come in right there. I'm the loyal ones then. Nah, leave out. Look for the one for Tarpy. The colors! Colors!
No, turn on the light, you know.
You come and do yourself, I'm just away. Give me the one for colors.
How are you?
Colors! What going on with him? Colors? How you feeling? You sick again? Still a feel pain again?
You're most pro for this.
By a fan?
Monday, Sean Paul, when he see me again, he will give me more money.
Yeah.
So he gave me like $100.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get this farm. This farm cost me $9,500. And it's remote.
Yeah.
So when I'm on my jacuzzi bed, I ain't got to get off the bed. You just, you know what I'm saying?
Use the remote.
Yeah, and then no, but you know, nobody lovely liquor.
Sure, yeah.
Till I me liquor. Collect the phone from the girl on a pebble thing. Me the guard for charge.
Give me that.
A pebbles for the little short girl, man. That's yeah, you know, I'm buying a nice. That's the case for the phone.
Okay, so we got to get back your phone and everything. So, and if you give out your number as well, if anybody want to call you, come here, come give this, give them a new, give them a new contact number.
Yeah, but guess I'm not keen up. My extended family, my thank baby, keen up, and give baby a little change. Because that shit hear about the phone, you know.
Yeah.
This is what I tell you, extended family. You see when people care for you, and you get what I'm saying. And then when she say she's jealous, make up nice, mommy, you know, keen. I say, Duke, oh, the girl steal the phone and you didn't say nothing to us.
Yeah.
And you know, she the girl on a free street and you see.
Yeah.
So
see your phone here now.
That's the case. If it wasn't for baby, I want to get by the phone. So anyways, like how I get by the phone now, extended family. I'm gonna issue out my number.
Yes, you can give them a new contact number.
So my number is 502 22003.
Okay, so give them again 1876.
Yeah, 502 22003.
Okay, so that's
scholars.
That's scholars contact number if you don't want to get through to him, you can
Lots
call
of
it.
pain man feel to, extended family. But you know I'm still not pain.
Yes,
Not really.
So we have a donation here for you as well too. Yes. From Unknown. From the USA. We have $6,000 here for you. From Unknown.
Yes, Unknown. Thank you so much.
So look and count it. So
Yes,
Unknown from the USA.
Yes, Unknown. Thank you so much. Because right now, you want to feel me that somebody, I don't think me never go to the airport.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I can't feel so sick and force it. You see me?
Yeah.
But you know, I have Pat around there who will give me anything,
Yeah.
Man, Pat, leave me out, brother.
Yes. I mean, I'm something here for you as well too from.
What is that?
From Nana.
Something colorful.
Colorful for you. From Nana.
Let me take a look at it. Yes, Nana, thank you so much. This looks very beautiful.
Beautiful.
What is it? It's a...
Wow. It's an all-in-one, like a jumpsuit.
Okay.
Like a parachute. So you go see the all-in-one colors.
No, Kina, this looks too tall,
Never too tall. Once you put it on, that's when you know. Yeah, it's good when you go inside of it, and you go to your bed, you would have.
Oh, something for sleeping.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's her name? Nana, thank you so much. Yeah. Well, I want to know my thingy.
Colorful.
Quite pretty. I know that's
from the UK, from the Britain.
From okay. Let me show them the fun. That's the fan I bought yesterday.
Alright, the fan I got in on the camera. Like a look fan. I don't want the fan blow them away. Fan I got blow them away. Wrong place, I point it down there, so. Yes. The room, you can't point at the edge of a point it down there, so.
Yeah, everybody, extended family, everybody tell me say they love the fan.
Yeah, man, I like the fan, man. Say now for move, just lie down in the jacuzzi.
Yeah, in the jacuzzi, you get what I'm saying, and just glad you come along, man. Somebody send me something.
Yeah, man.
And as I say, yeah, I'm glad they tell me for issue the number.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Just go and take it easy, man, Yeah,
man.
And we'll catch up on you again now, because we have to go run and meet some other people. Yeah, man. Just go and pray.
Yeah, go and keep it up, man. So I have to even go over there look more.
Yeah, so you get a change there.
Yeah, you see me, Kina.
That's
so
it.
Bless up everybody.
Yeah.
And thank you so much.
Alright then.
I'm gonna turn them back my fan right now.
Right now.
And turn it around.
Turn it around.
Yeah.
Alright, colors. Look over.
Yes, Kina.
Yeah. Well. So we give thanks. From Unknown. Esther. No. Oh. Get it one for Talpi. Baby mother. Baby get biggie, man. Bring the package, come. My name get robbed. Bring the package. Bring the package, come. Talpi. The only P. Any other P a short P.
Short P.
The short P. It's a Talpi. We have a donation here for you.
Yeah.
From GG. It's a birthday, panel. Birthday in this month?
From the 8th of December, man.
8th of December?
Yeah, man. You never show the
never there.
It's a
GG know what going on,
man.
GG keep a check on everyone's birthday.
Yeah, man. Respecting a GG.
Yeah, so this is Talpi. Birthday. Belated birthday. So it's $7,000 a year for you.
Yeah.
From GG.
GG. Whole heap of love and whole heap of respect, See this? 50 more block and 2 bags of cement.
I mean
JJ, one love,
Every time.
Extension family, we still here, You couldn't 2 away or 3 away. Still one team, Dream team. Yeah, man. Respect JJ.
Bless you.
Yeah, man.
Yes, I.
Yes, I.
We have. So go on. Yeah man, so we give thanks, you know, okay, so we're here, putting in the work, same way. Anyway, girls, Max there, Max I got Mark a Felch right now. Yeah, Max a Felch. Yeah. Max a clean you go and from. Yes, scientist. Pepsi. Yes, sir. So we're there at Mother Teresa's Sport. That is there. So the vampire over there, right? So lock up, so guys, this is Mother Teresa. It's a little place. Oh, Sharby Key. So as you can see, it's never complete as yet. She was trying to get some more materials, you know, like some sand and gravel. So any donation you can give to help out Mother Teresa, you know, will be great. So she locked up herself. She don't even have the key for her own yard, you know. Fortunate.
Good at the road, with Una walk some left the key.
Okay, so we have a donation here for you from Annette from the USA. We can help buy sand and gravel, and it's put towards where I'm already so. So we have $7,000 here for you from Annette from the USA.
Thank you, Annette. Not your small it is, it can work. I will always make it work. And with your food basket never empty. All of my extended family, thank you for reach so far. But I'm still up on the journey same. I'm not going to see it, man, because everyone come out.
Yeah, alright, so we give thanks for the donation from Mother Teresa with her effort, with her situation, you know. So as what I'm saying, you know, she just want to get some more material to finish her place. So I gotta go up and Felicia, yeah, so. Long time we go.
Come down.
And then come down.
So put her in a cab.
Yeah. Big man, where you back up? Max not afraid of people, you know. Yes guys, so that's that donation to help out Mother Teresa so she can buy some cement or she can help buy some more sand or gravel. So you know it goes again. One son, you know.
You know, so I had the day in a building, man.
With a complex.
Yeah, keep myself safe out of trouble and all of them destruction and worries, yeah.
That is the best thing to do. Can I give them something? Let them stay in the car, I give them something. How is everything, Felicia?
Alright.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
It's been a while, you know. Wait, next one. There's another one where they give ice cream or the as well. Forgot what's your name. Is she have one that daughter?
Yeah, surely.
Oh, she can?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, she has a one team, dream team. Yes, Felicia, so it's been a while, you know. So how is the diet is going now, everything?
It's alright, more better, much better.
Yeah. So the thing they got in your hand now?
Yeah, we do the surgery. And that's got to them.
Okay. So then put it in your hand now, everything.
Yeah.
So you feel much better now and everything?
Yeah, I really catch all about infection, like I made other catheter.
Yeah.
So that's much better.
Much better?
Yeah.
So you feel tired now or weak or?
Yeah, so I told them I'm going to do dialysis, man. Sleeping actually.
Oh, so when you do it, it make you feel tired? Yeah. Okay, so that means I'm not going to hold it for too long then. Like you feel. Because someone, you know, them call me and say, Keenan, you know, say, there's this lady where she run from my mind, you know, because she haven't seen her for a long while. You know, and then they asked her, oh, and she kind of described and I say, she do the kidney. She was trying to get some donation towards her kidney problem. Yeah. So she sent a donation for you as well too. So I'm here to give her a donation for you from her as well too, because she goes by let me tell you, MG from Queens, New York. Her name is MG from Queens, New York. You want to send $18,000 for you? From MG from Queens, New York. So, in the procedure, I make you count it. Oh, this is really good. Make a count and then you can tell her thanks, right? So, all this 18,000, so count it. 18, alright.
Thanks.
MG.
Thanks to MG from Queens, New York. My food basket never run dry. Thanks for keeping me in mind. Thanks for everything.
Yeah, so thank you so much, MG from Queens, New York, you know, for blessing Felicia. You know, she said with that, you know, because she said Christmas will come up and she said she wants to send us something for your Christmas. So we thank her so much. And we have a bag here as well too. From Unknown. We'll send some stuff. You said this is for you as well too. From Unknown as well.
Thanks to Unknown. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, so we'll have to put it in the bag and bring it from, right? So everything is there right now. What do you call it? Catheter? We call it?
This is a fistula.
A fistula?
Yeah, we have the catheter, but no, I have the fistula.
Fistula. And then let's put it in your hand now. So
then connect the vein and the artery together. It's actually a surgery. We do a 2-part surgery. I connect it first and then I lift then this, the big one. I will lift it to the edge so it can connect to the machine. See, and I go straight down on my skin.
Like what you used to before?
Yeah.
So it's less painful now?
No, it's painful when you are putting the needle for the dialysis. But from the needle going, everything alright.
Everything alright.
You really catch an infection and everything like the catheter.
Yeah, because before I treat more exposed, right? Yeah. So with this, well, I'm glad to say at a better place right now where it's not as bad as before. You know, and you're seeing better changes, right? Yeah. You're feeling much more better now and everything. Okay, it's nice. And I come check my friend as well too, because your daughter, I went at the same day when you say see your friend there. I never know your daughter, you know. Because she always come circle me.
Come down there.
Yes, always, you know. So with that now, so I'm saying I call the whole of them. See them here? The whole team of them come. But one is missing. What's your name again? Cookie. She got foreign. Yeah, so I give them some Christmas ice cream money. You know? I'm a big friend of all of them. One always says, Dream Team.
Dream Team, one team.
You see, every time them sing, them always you know, so I'm going to bless them with some donations. So Felicia, as I say, man, if anything come up, I will let you know. You know, just continue to say, I go and pray and hope for the best. I'm glad you feel much more better than how you was before. Right? So Almighty works. Yeah, man, we also want to thank all the donors, them, you know, that they reach out to you in the first place, you know, and try to help a situation, you know. Yeah, it mean a lot. You can thank them, man.
Thanks to all of the donors, them, with it have me in mind and still have me in mind. Thanks to everybody.
Yeah, man, we thank you so much. Alright then, so here's my kids them. What my kids them there? How much are them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
My 6 kids them. 2 more out there. Wait, the little one just called me a while ago. At the gate. Wait at the gate that's a while ago. Call, she got another yard? Look, give me that. Go and call her for me. Give me. You say, ooh, Esther, come here. Come on. So, how much I want now?
6.
6. I'm more than 6. So, come to him, you don't count him to?
8. 7. 8. And 9 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 4, 5.
You know, I ask you money. Alright. So, where come here? Where got do the money?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Where got do the money?
7, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Trip on herself. I hear what? It's like a trip on herself.
8.
8 or no?
6.
Trim the 8.
I said no way.
Alright then.
I eat.
So now, yeah man, everybody I get for them, right? Come Esther, come here. So one time I give you, I want to say, yes, a thank you unknown. Next one I come. I never see, but she stay. But where the next one, where the daddy gate, when I talked to the woman a while ago.
What's your name? Jersey. A Jersey, man. Yeah, Jersey.
Yeah.
Jersey.
Missile.
Yeah.
Different, you know. Come back with somebody.
Yeah. So one time I go over and say thank you.
What?
Yeah? So thank you unknown, okay?
Yeah.
So when you say you do your money now.
Thank you, unknown.
What should I? Yeah? You say you throw it by yourself? Alright then, so we say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And the next one will be 18. And the one we're gonna find will be 20. Right, so like how so much we have to 2. So I'm gonna give everyone out 2,000 each.
Oh, you know so.
Hey, oh, you know so.
Where gonna do your money?
Tell her where you gonna do your money.
Eh? Where gonna do the money?
Straight for myself.
You throw it by yourself? So you say you throw it by yourself?
I'm rich.
You're rich.
No, you should have
You're rich.
been
You're rich. You don't want the money then. Your dad says you're rich.
Where gonna do your money?
Where do yours?
You go buy a car.
You buy a car?
That thing can drive.
You go buy a car with your money? Alright, instant I give her one. Here. Oh, it's extra. So give her 2,000.
Thank you.
Come here, say thank you, unknown.
Thank you.
Unknown.
Thank you, unknown.
Okay.
But can I do it before everybody?
Alright, give her a fair one now.
Thank you, unknown.
Now, you're gonna throw it by yourself now. Get into.
Thank you, unknown.
Get the camera on that side.
Thank you, unknown.
Okay.
Thank you, unknown.
Yeah. Come, big boy, come. What's it?
Thank you, unknown.
Okay.
Then I should know.
Come, look, commander. Come here.
Come.
Oh, God. Just thank you, unknown.
Unknown.
Say unknown.
Open that camera.
Say
On the phone.
Alright.
Unknown.
Come, you know.
Unknown.
You know once. Thank you, unknown.
Okay.
Thank you.
She never come there yet. Okay. Come. Chelsea. Oh, say here. Give her 2,000. Come here.
So thank you, unknown.
Okay. Alright. It's a dream team.
Dream team, one team.
Alright. So, yeah. A dream team. Oh, she got fire already, though?
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody good. Alright, then. So, bye.
Bye.
Alright, so we're going on a t-shirt now. So, can I have a t-shirt? So. Alright, then. So, later, okay?
Chelsea, look, the dog got flip.
She just said $500.
Daddy,
Hey, a friend now? Shit, you see, Kino now. So, me a friend now. Alright.
Oh, so you never talk to you?
Not talk to me.
She not pass the message, though. Alright, competitive part, here. Ain't it $2,000, yeah. So thank you. Where you gonna buy with that now? Where you gonna buy now? Eh? Where you gonna buy? You not tell me I buy. Alright, big up. You have dance? Bust 2 dance. See dance? Yeah. Give me 2 dances. Daddy, give me 2 dances now. And the kids pay them today. Him nah boss no dance. Alright, we'll catch you back then, right? Alright then. Give me the slide. Give me the slide. I'm shy out today. Alright. I'm shy today. Yeah. Okay. Max, don't worry yourself, Max. You catch your half yard, right? Max. You catch Max half yard. Watch our driver. Yeah, man. Blessed love. So we give thanks to Unknown. Yes, we give thanks to Unknown for blessing the kids them, you know. Thank you so much, Unknown. You know, it's a blessing. We give thanks. Blessed love every time. So here we're going to check out Natisha. It's been a while we're not coming on this side here. Natisha. So guys, so this is the one of the house then. Princess. It's one of the houses that were built as well to Natisha. Natisha mansion standing up. Same way. So Natisha locked up. Natish, I'll go and resort, baby. You say lock up at the mansion. I go and cool out. Jeez, how's everything? Look like I get a whole heap of sleep, man. And pierce like you're just awake. No worries. I go and rest. The other day I go and walk around and give out some donation. You know, place now one well right now. This minute them good, next minute them gone back.
This summer, so they're not giving Christmas.
Yeah, but it's not pretty, you know.
It's done.
Yeah, man, a full time now, certain things are done. But see, make you feel look left and look right.
Man, I put all my things in my cell and I can't bother. Kind of make no sense. I'm going to have to go run, I don't know. Make no sense.
But the amount of time you have to look around them.
Yesterday I just said them come through.
Every time you have to look style.
I like when you talk, I like when you laugh.
Yeah. Alright, then say you have a donation for you because we're not keep you up too long right here. So I have $4,000 here for you from GG. As well, $4,000 here for you from GG from the USA.
GG, bless yourself, respect and manners and thanks. May the good Lord keep and guide and protect you. May your food basket never run dry. Dream team, one team.
Alright, so we'll give thanks for GG from the USA for blessed Natisha. But Natisha, I make you go on, I'm not keep you outside for too long, okay?
Big up and bless you.
Alright then. Right, Parks. Come here. So right, Parks, we have... Come on, Jenna. Jackson. Where's Jackson there? Come here, Messi. Come in, Jackson. Come in. Yeah, man, so you have some blessings. Well, Talpi just getting blessings.
Yes,
Mother Teresa get her blessings. You know, so Jenna, and $4,000 here for you as well too from Miss from Bahamas. Yeah, just say Bahamas, from Bahamas.
Bahamas. Thank you very much. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. Thanks again.
Right, Parks. 4,000 from Bahamas.
Bahamas, bless you and give thanks. God bless you.
Prefect, 4,000 here from Bahamas.
Bahamas, enough love and respect. Thanks. That's all the fun for the team. Bless you.
Yeah. Wow. 4,000 here for you from Bahamas.
From Bahamas, I know fly like Bahamas. Enough love, holy thanks and blessing, you know. Very few time now, so. Up and running, man, so. Enough love.
Alright then. Yeah, so tell people to get ready from GG. Yeah, boom. Yeah, so we have 4,000 here for you from Bahamas.
It's Bahamas, blessing and thanks, one love.
Yeah. Okay, and Mother Teresa to get ready from Unknown, right? So we have Jackson, 4,000 here for you from Bahamas.
Thanks and feel the time. Yeah. Extended family, big up for the time. I live on Carla, big up yourself for the time. Yeah, more than love. Thanks for the time, it's Bahamas again.
Yeah, so we give that then. So we have Esther as well too. And yeah, so we have 7,000 here for you, Esther from GG from the US there. Your one and only GG.
Thanks, Gigi. And it's my birthday gift. Thanks for the birthday gift.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it. And may the good Lord bless and keep you safe.
So Esther is the Christmas Eve. Esther born on Christmas Eve. So why your mother give her the name Esther? So Christmas Eve is her birthday. Enough cake. So Christmas Eve we celebrate Esther's birthday. What if I give away? Now get shoes, t-shirt, pants, you know, furniture for houses, anything you don't want. You just come here, come check Esther on her birthday Eve and Christmas Eve. Get everything you want. That is it. So we have one for natural. Natural not there yet. Yeah, so we have one more donation here for natural. So when natural come, we get it. So we give thanks for Bahamas, from the Bahamas. You know, we thank her so much as well too for blessing. Alright. Well, the place not running well, but boy, we have to go and hold it out. I don't know. Born come see it like this, up and down. This minute the place nice, next minute it gone sour, like rice. So we give thanks, so we thank you so much. Bahamas is blessed love, green team, one team. Alright, Naturalus. So I have 5,000 a year for you as well from Bahamas.
Yeah, there's some 2 little points side, so
yeah.
Get rid of them.
Yeah,
man.
They're giving you a problem?
Yeah, man.
Esther, why are you giving problem? The name where you having not supposed to give problem, you know?
I give some problem. You must stand up and say problem, like.
And Mother Teresa, the two don't have two names. Yeah.
Mother Teresa.
And Esther. So we have 5,000 a year for you from Bahamas. Yes. That's the name. Bahamas.
Give thanks and praise in the Bahamas. Bless the 5,000 and give thanks. Bless the hand that provide 5,000.
Yes, I.
Many thanks.
Many thanks. So we give thanks from Bahamas.
Pass it to him.
I'm a change it.
It's a pass it to him. So pass it.
Just pass it. Yeah.
You pass it?
Yeah, you pass it.
Pass it.
The right thing you do.
Give? How may I give? Stretch it.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.